Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about 7 ways to make money through real estate. If you don't know me by now, it's Mike DeSalvo from the DeSalvo Real Estate Group. If you haven't subscribed already, I encourage you to do so. Every week we talk about gaining financial freedom through investing in real estate, in small business. I've owned my own tax preparation firm for the last 12 years and I've been a realtor for the last 8. So again, we're talking about 7 ways to make money through real estate today. The first being long-term residential rental units. So I posed this question on TikTok the other day and it was kind of like, who else has made most of their money through real estate? I know I have, even with my own principal residence, I've made money through my rental properties and anybody can do the same. So I really think, like, if you ask anybody about how well they've done through the real estate in the last 10 to 20 years, they will tell you that they've all done very, very well. And I know the market is high and people, the wages aren't as high, but there's still a lot of potential, whether that be in the smaller towns around the city that you live in. But there's also, if you have a great realtor, they can pick out spots that, there's still good opportunities there. So long-term residential holds is a great way to do it. Secondly, renovation flips, home renovation flips. You need to know what you're doing here. There's a lot more involved. Again, having the great realtor, having a great team of construction people, if you can do it yourself and you're very timely and can get it done quickly. Also a good way, obviously, to make money. There's tax implications that you got to talk to your accountant about. But if you know what you're doing, also a very good way to make money. Thirdly, we're seeing this big time this year, especially with COVID, is vacation rental properties. I had a friend that just bought a cottage. They put it up online. Every week going into September is rented out, and we're talking $200 a night. So having those vacation rentals, some big money, that could be made in that. I like having a vacation rental property that is somewhere close to a ski hill as well, because then it becomes a year-round place to rent out. So when you are making an investment, definitely look at a vacation rental property because you can use it as well. Fourth, hard money lending. Getting into this, especially with the new rules coming into place with borrowing money. Hard money lending, if you have extra capital or money sitting around, you can give it to these mortgage brokers and they can get it out there for anywhere from 8 to 15%. So it's definitely, if you have money that's not working for you, definitely speak with a mortgage broker. There could be some opportunity. Usually you're, the second lender on it, but still good money, usually pretty stable. Next, commercial real estate. A lot of the people that I've been talking to, they feel that there's going to be a big break in commercial real estate. Obviously, with a lot more people working from home, companies are downsizing, but landlords are going to be, there's going to be some desperation there and they might just want to offload some properties and you might be able to get it at a good price. Usually, historically, commercial properties are very good investments because the tenants are usually pretty good and you can usually fill the vacancies. So look for that. Airbnbs. Airbnb is a great way to make money when you're not using the property. There's tons of potential. There's tons of videos out there telling you just how to do that. Even if you're doing your own vacations, you're going away for a month. Well, why not, have somebody manage your property for that month that you're away? It helps pay for your vacation. So definitely some good opportunities about Airbnb. Read up on them. And lastly is the renting out a room. So I really encourage this for new home buyers, just to sort of compensate for the additional costs, is rent out a room. You can get anywhere from $500 to $700 a month, and that goes a long way with paying your mortgage and the fees, included with owning a home. So these are just 7 ways to make money with real estate. I think there's probably a few others, in terms of like wholesaling properties and stuff like that. But those are ones you kind of need to know a little more about, the process of doing that. But these are just 7 ways that I like on making money through real estate. The biggest thing, I've talked about this before, is paralysis by analysis. If you take all kinds of courses and go to all these meetings, it'll be forever until you buy. And it might have cost you, like, a few years ago, there was opportunities there and we jumped on them. Well, fast forward 4 years and we've made a ton of money on that. If I would have waited, I wouldn't have got those returns. So please, I'm just telling you, take action is the biggest thing. Take that first step. You'll be addicted. Speak with your mortgage broker. The time to get started is now. Think of your future. 20 years down the road, you'll have had somebody paying off your investment. If you invest in the markets, that's also good. I'm not, but you're the one, contributing to that. As where the rental market, you'll have somebody paying into your investment. Think 20 years down the road of this property, even if it appreciates only at 2%, you're still going to be in incredible shape and enjoy your future. As you know, I don't believe that we received enough financial knowledge through high school to better prepare ourselves for our financial future. So this channel, we're going to be talking about gaining financial wealth through investing in real estate. We're going to be talking about small business and pushing forward your small business. And we're also going to be talking about increasing our financial literacy, our financial knowledge, to both help yourself and provide for your families. So if you think that this knowledge will help you going forward, I encourage you to subscribe and like. And if you know of anybody that you think would benefit from this information, please like and share. And we can grow this community and build it up together and create the dream life for ourselves. So that is what we're intending to do, and I hope you can come along with us. All right, have a great week, and we'll see you next time.